April 10th, 2024, Daily Bread. Passage, Proverbs chapter 28, verse 1 through 12. Key verse 6. Title, Better a Poor Man. The wicked flee, though no one pursues, but the righteous are as bold as a lion. When a country is rebellious, it has many rulers, but a ruler with discernment and knowledge maintains order. A ruler who oppresses the poor is like a driving rain that leaves no crops. Those who forsake instruction praise the wicked, but those who heed it resist them. Evildoers do not understand what is right, but those who seek the Lord understand it fully. Better the poor whose walk is blameless than the rich whose ways are perverse. A discerning son heeds instruction, but a companion of gluttons disgraces his father. Whoever increases wealth by taking interest or profit from the poor amasses it for another who will be kind to the poor. If anyone turns a deaf ear to my instruction, even their prayers are detestable. Whoever leads the upright along an evil path will fall into their own trap, but the blameless will receive a good inheritance. The rich are wise in their own eyes. One who is poor and discerning sees how deluded they are. When the righteous triumph, there is great elation, but when the wicked rise to power, people go into hiding. Daily Bread Message. This passage reveals what is inside people's hearts and how it controls their actions. The wicked are easily afraid and turn away at hardships and trouble. However, in the face of opposition, the righteous are very bold, like lions, and no one dares to approach them. When the people are lawless, many leaders try to grab power. Yet, when there is a person who has understanding and knowledge, they provide stability to the community. How we view people based on social status is important before God and a true indication of our character. A poor person with integrity is much better than a rich and evil person. Those who oppress the poor will face God's judgment, but those who pay attention to the poor and are generous to them are blessed by God. It is easy to turn our eyes away from the poor people. Are you running away from helping the poor? And do you see the poor right in front of you and do nothing? Those who turn away from hearing the law to give to the poor will not be heard by God, no matter how hard they pray. But the righteous who love God love others and give freely and receive a godly inheritance. Prayer. Father, please forgive me for neglecting the poor. Help me to be generous. Help me to trust in your reward instead of piling up riches for myself. One word, better a poor man with integrity.